In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a proportions problem. Okay, let's have an example. For example, in this beautiful example, we have 10 over 8 is equal n over 10. We call this type of problem that we have a fraction here equal another fraction. We call them proportions. Okay, or we can call it fraction is equal fraction. I'm going to show you the easiest method that you can solve a fraction is equal fraction problem. So first of all, in this problem it's obvious that we are looking for n, so the goal is finding n by itself. Let's do that. In order to do this problem, we have to use a method called butterfly method. The method called butterfly. So why does it call butterfly? Because these two numbers diagonally, they always goes together, and these two numbers here, a variable and numbers, diagonally goes together. So if you make a thing like here, it looks like a butterfly. So a wing, this wing and that wing of the butterfly, they go together. That's why I call it butterfly method. So as a cue, you can always remember that fraction is equal fraction, you would use butterfly method. So what does it mean? I'm going to show you in a little bit. Okay, let's see. It means 10 and 10 goes together. So 10 times 10 would be equal n times 8. So these two in one wing of a butterfly, 8 and 10, 9, and these two 10 in the other side of the wing. They go together. Okay, now time to simplify. So 10 times 10 and 8 times n. 10 times 10 is 100 is equal n times 8 is simply just 8n. Awesome. In order to solve this problem, we have to divide both sides by, we are looking for n, right? So far we get to 100 is equal 8n. Now we're going to divide both sides by 8. We're going to write 8 here, and we're going to divide this side by 8 as well. These two cross each other out, 8 and 8 cross each other out, and 100 divided by 8, I have no idea. We're going to use your best friend. Oops. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Let's come back. What did I do? Oh, there you go. So we get to here. 8 and 8 cancel each other out. And now we're gonna find out what is 100 divided by 8. 100 divided by 8. Awesome! 12.5. So this and this cancel. We ended up having n is equal to 12.5. This is the answer of this problem. Okay. This is the first example of solving a proportion. Feel free to pause the video from the beginning, do it on your own, and make sure that you got the same answer and move to the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it.